Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad. We are on our next lesson in Surat al Baqarah. These are ayahs number 42 and continuing. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We are right here. Wala. Wala talbisu. Talbisu. We've done this multiple times. When you have a waw, alif, sukun over it, and then there's another hamzatul wasl. This is a hamzatul wasl, followed by a lam. We said that this drops here, and this is not read because of the sukun. This is technically not read, nor is this. The only thing read, again, as a reminder, is the seen. And you're going to go from the seen straight into the ha here. But the sound that it will produce is this extends it slightly, this drops, and you're going to lead the lam with a sukun, which makes a il sound. So, wala talbisul sul, wala talbisul bisul haqqa. Shadd on the qaf. تلبس الحق بالباطل بال Hamzat al-wasl drops. This is a lam with a sukun. Bil ba. This is a long alif, makes the ba longer. Okay, so bil ba batili. Bil batili watak tumul. Again, same formation. This occurs a lot. Hopefully by now you get this. وَتَكْتُمُ الْحَقَّ وَأَنْتُمْ. This noon has a ikhfa. So وَأَنْتُمْ تَعْلَمُونَ وَأَنْتُمْ تَعْلَمُونَ. Okay. وَأَقِيمُوا The ya doesn't have anything, so you just extend the qaf with the kasra. وَأَقِيمُوا الصَّلَاةَ وَأَقِيمُوا. You're going to go straight to the sad. وَأَقِيمُوا الصَّلَاةَ. This waw is not read. Okay. وَأَقِيمُوا الصَّلَاةَ وَآتُوا. Then this mixes here with the za here. وَآتُوا الزَّكَاةَ وَأَقِيمُوا الصَّلَاةَ وَآتُوا الزَّكَاةَ. Now we are here. What do we do here? We drop the hamzatul wasl, go straight into the ra. وَارْكَعُوا مَعَ الرَّاكِعِينَ مَعَ الرَّاكِعِينَ. أَتَأْمُرُونَ. This is a hamza, so you would read it with a pause and the hafs that we're reading. أَتَأْمُرُونَ النَّاسَ أَتَأْمُرُونَ النَّاسَ أَتَأْمُرُونَ النَّاسَ بِالْبِرِّ. Okay, بِالْبِرِّ there. And then we go down to the next line. وَتَنْسَوْنَ. There's a sukun here, not listed. وَتَنْسَوْنَ أَنفُسَكُمْ وَأَنْتُمْ تَتْلُونَ الكتاب أفلا أفلا تعقلون أفلا تعقلون again Hamzatul Wasl drops. واستعينوا بالصبر. This ba is qalqala. You slightly read it almost like a double, like a resonant ba. So bis-sabri, not bis-sabari, but bis-sabri. Okay, just a slight qalqala. It's called qalqala. واستعينوا بالصبر والصلاة. If you're going to stop, you say والصلاة. This ta here, ta marbuta, with a kasra, is read as a ha if you stop. واستعينوا بالصبر والصلاة. واستعينوا بالصبر والصلاة وإنها لكبيرة إلا على it's mixing there, على الخاشعين إلا على الخاشعين. We'll stop there at ayah 45.